Pentecostal Network Pennet Program clear to te lalpai swaming in Tibai Ule. Tungkar chungai UPC Northeast India Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar clearing lawngai thang u. February ninga nilai ni khan General Headquarters Office Mall Puisalem veng Aizola General Missions Department Noy Missionary Tour Interview nei ani. Missionary atan hian mi panhi David Lalming liana son of Jinza thanga champhai bethela loile unau pa behlwat lai khuli son of Kalebala Ramlo Afelasia ha Council veng aloite lak anni. April ni khatsang ni somnia joining report and pedona ni. Unau pa David Lalming liana hi Bihar Missions Field a umdona unau pa behlwat lai khuli hi Odisha Missions Field a umdon ani. February nili atangani sari chungkhan General Headquarters Office Mall Puisalem veng Aizola Kohhran sum audit ani. General Headquarters account changchang baka General Administration Noy Department Field le Committee peng changchang te sum audit ani a auditor se hi Reverend Sila Ramwana Reverend Biak Sang Zwala Reverend Sila Rin Tuanga le Reverend Joseph L Thauthang te ani. General try to the program General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasai Laujan February ni sari atangani ko chunga champhai Bethel Bial inkhom puya speaker atangin rawngbawlna aneya ni som thotan ni hian khozol Bial huapa upate pawal seminar bawchaya resource person atangin rawngbawlna anei chunzomang. General Secretary Reverend R Lerin Sang chuan February ni sari atangani ko chunga sialsuk Bial inkhom pui lungsei Kohhran biak in aneya speaker atangin rawngbawlna anei. General Treasurer Reverend Zoming Thanzama chuan February ni sari atanga ni ko chunga sumsui Bial inkhom pui sumsui Kohhran biak in aneya speaker atangin rawngbawlna anei. General Missions Director Reverend R Lalhoile General Sunday School Director Reverend R Laitsingpui te chuan Barak District Missions Department le Sunday School Department Joint Conference January ni sari atanga ni ko chunga phai tola neya speaker atangin rawngbawlna anei. General Sunday School Secretary Reverend R Vanal Oya chuan chingchi Bial inkhom pui chiatlang Kohhran biak in aneya speaker atangin rawngbawlna aneya February ni sari zirtom ni khan Sunday School pawala seminar bawchaya resource person atangin rawngbawlna anei bok. District Shangshang rawngbawlna chanchin ngai thlak chunzomila lunglei district rawngbawlna chanchin January ni somthum pakhat atanga February ni hne pathiani chungkhan Puk pui Bial zol pui Bial le Salvan lai phai Bial te chuan Bial conference lim takin an hmang. Puk pui Bial inkhom pui voi somthum pangana hi zo hnoi local biak ina nei ani a District Treasurer Reverend Sila Rin Tuanga chuan hman puya January ni somthum pakhat zirtom nia Kohhran pui le Sunday School Department te chuan ro relna an neya February ni khat inrin ni hian LED le Missions Department te chuan ro relna an nei bok. Bial Kohhran pui chuan kumsang ni somni project atan Section Pastor Quarters chung le pon rong hnoi baka quarters noi chhuat plaster baka Pastor Quarters a khumpani dani se ti te anrela na kumsang ni somni pakhat Bial conference chu kikon lokala nei ani ang. Bial Sunday School Department te chuan kumin chungin Bial Sunday School meet bawchai nei se anti a General Sunday School kumpuan kan fa te ichan himang uti chu mani lokala cheu bo zui ni se anti baka district a thlen tur thupoi mo tak tak anrel ani. Bial inkhom pui hian District Treasurer Reverend Sila Rin Tuanga Bial to Pastor Reverend PC Ngakliana le Reverend T I chunga ten thusoi rawngbawlna an nei ani. Zol pui Bial inkhom pui pot tui sen chwa biak ina nei ani a Kohhran pui Missions Department le Sunday School Department ten Bial conference a hian ro relna an neya Speaker atan Reverend C Vanal ena District Superintendent chuhman ani. Ro rel langsar zwalte Kohhran pui Bial chung local shangshang te in kalthenga financial campaign nei ni se district in kaishwaina zirlai bua mangin rongbol tu exam nei ni se Pastor Quarters fencing tu project a nei chunzom zel ni se Bial chung biak in sati chu work camp a in pui chunzom zel ni se Pastor Quarters rong hnoi tura malak ni se sangni somni hi chung komai cham war kuma nei ni se Bial chung khoi local bera emo crusade camping nei tura malak ni se nakum sang ni somni pakhat Bial inkhom pui nei na munatan zol pui local ni se ti ti anrel ani. Missions Department ro relte District Missions Finance noya crusade bot sai tura dil le ni se District Missions rin na thutiam local tina appeal nei tur chu Bial shwai tu te local tina kalkwalin appeal nei ni se thati ani. Sunday School Department District Sunday School Department hian kumsom chung azona Sunday School kai kemte chu lompuina award pe ve thin se ti chu district a thlen ni se thati ani a hi district a atlang lo ani chuan bialin inpek ni se thati ani South Vanlai Phai Bial Conference voinga na po darzo local a man ani a District Secretary Reverend PC la fak omachuan a man pui February ni khat inrin ni khan bial kaushan pui Missions Department le Sunday School Department ten rural na anneya an rural langsar zualte kaushan pui bial kaushan pui in kumsang hi som hi chungin tharau bo singkhom be pui thangnan crusade bot sai ni se Pastor Quarters noi siam na turatan cheng sing hi budget a dan ni se na kumsang hi som ni pakhat bial conference nei na hunatan molian pui local ni se heba ka hiam bu fai cham chalo man sem kalzel ni se ti chu thati ani Missions Department kumin sang ni som hia ramut thane ni se thati ani Faith promise to bial shwai tu ten local tina appeal nei pui se local in lo bo zui bok se ti ani Sunday School Department kumsang ni som ni mei tha Sunday School no pangte tan bial hwap really nei ni se kumsang ni som ni chungin pastor ro chung nunga ren thlei bial to pastor in local tin Sunday School ma ni local chewa seminar nei pui se Lunglei District chunga bial parukin conference an mangmek February ni sari zirtop jana tangkhan bial paruk luangmol bial chiphir bial lungsen bial cherlun bial bungmun bial le headquarters bial te chuan bial conference an mang luangmol bial conference voisom ni pakhat na hi luangmol lokala nei ani a district superintendent represent in Reverend VL Moka na thial bial to pastor chuan he conference hi aman puya February ni sari zirtop ni khan bial missions department le LED te chuan rel na aneya February ni riat inrin ni khan kaushan pui le Sunday School Department te chuan rel na annei bok Chiphir bial conference voisom thum pangana chu Chiphir local biak ina nei ani a District Superintendent represent in Rasiveng bial to pastor Reverend Sila Shat puya chuan he inkhom pui hi aman puya inkhom pui thu puya hian thil thati ining su ang u Galatia bungruk chang kwa chu man ani February ni sari zirtop ni khan bial LED le PYD te chuan rel na anneya February ni riat inrin ni khan kaushan pui le Sunday School Department te chuan ro an rel bok Lungsen bial conference voice som nga na chu Lungsen North local biak ina nei ani a District Treasurer Reverend Sila rin tuanga chuan man pui ba ka District PYD choir le Reverend R la ro sanga ten an man pui bok February ni sari zirtop ni khan bial Sunday School Department chuan ro rel na nein February ni riat inrin ni khan kaushan pui chuan ro rel na anei bok Cherlun bial conference voisom li pali na chu new ngar chi biak ina man ani a thupui tan chanchin thafam kim ti chu man ani a February ni riat inrin ni khan kaushan pui Sunday School Department le Missions Department ten ro rel na annei ani he inkhom pui a hian District Superintendent Reverend C. Vanel Enabaka District BYD President Evangelist Vilal du Omale bial to pastor Kelal Nunpuya ten thusoi rawngbawlna anneyang Bungmun bial inkhom pui voisom li pasari na chu se som veng sak lokala nei ani a District Secretary Reverend PC la fak omachuan he inkhom pui hi aman puya February ni riat inrin ni khan bial kaushan pui chuan ro rel na annei Headquarters bial chuan ram thar local biak ina headquarters bial inkhom pui voisom li na hi nei ani a District Missions Director Reverend R. Vanel enga chuan amhan puya February ni sari zirtom ni khan Missions Department Sunday School Department le LED te chuan ro rel na anneya February ni riat inrin ni khan kaushan pui chuan ro rel na anei bok February ni li thole zan khan District PCD Board to District Secretary Quarters a nei ani a an ro rel langsar zualte ni kumsang ni som pakwa a bial chunga PCD zirtir tu te seminar la nei loten kumin chungin nei turin mala se thati ani kumin chungin PCD campaign nei le ni se PCD o chwa chunjom le ni se thati ani a editor tan Silaram lo apuya news editor Jacob Ram eng moyele circulation manager Kelerin tuanga te ruat anni PCD shwai tu kumsom chung cholawa thokto ten hena shwai tu hlun choi moina peng ni se thati ani a heian district PCD adin sang hei paruka tanga shwai tu ni na chel zone te ahwamang Churachampur district rawngbawlna chanchin District Superintendent Reverend Lalzom chuan February ni sari atangani ko chunga Thanlon Section Conference avai somthum pasari na Thanlon Kohhran neya speaker atangin rawngbawlna anei. District Secretary Reverend Pau sei chuan February ni sari atangani ko chunga Tuibong Section Conference Tuibong Local neya speaker atangin rawngbawlna anei. District Treasurer Reverend Haungam chuan February ni rukatangani ko chunga Pangzol Section Conference Vimun hoi an man puin rawngbawlna anei bok. February ni nga nilai ni khan Chinkon Local mi thar pathum lalpa iswa minga swangai damna baptisma changin evangelist kam kholun chuan he rawngbawlna hinein Kohhran aseng lut ani. Aizawl East District rawngbawlna chanchin. Aizawl East District chunga bial shrang te chuan February ni sari zirtop jana tangkhan bial conference arwalin an hmangmeka conference tanjan khan local shrang te hen tungin report ngai thakani a bial chen kha chuan revival in common hun an hmangngal ani. Inwini nilen khan bial chung inopna le district lut tur ngai to in ro rel na hun an hmang ani. Bial conference a hian speaker Shenpa le thupui nei anom lain bial chen khata chuan speaker Shenpa nei lovin bial shwai tu ten thu soi rawngbawlna an nei thunga bial tu pastor speaker hmang anom bok ani. Pathiani chonu inkhom a hian lalpa janri sacrament kil ho ani anga bial chung Kohhran member boral sun na hun conference chung hian bial shrang te hian an hmang bokang. Aizawl East District chunga hian bial somthum ommekin bial conference district shwai tu ten hun shrang a hetiang hian an hman pui ani. District Superintendent Reverend Rosanga Kolni chuan mualpui biala amanga District Superintendent IO in District shwai tu dangten heng biala te hian an hman pui bok ani. District Secretary Reverend Biak Sangzola chuan Trumpui biala hman puin District Treasurer Reverend Vanel Felaram tiam chuan Bethlehem biala hman puya Reverend R Lianzama Missions Director chuan Keifang biala hman pui bok ani. District in full-time evangelist ane mek evangelist R Van chunga chuan bazar biala speaker atangin bial conference amanganga evangelist Lal Amen chuan Sakordai biala speaker atangin rawngbawlna ane bokang. February ni Pathiani Zan Khan zema bok veng pui biak ina District Missions Department Nwai Home Missionary lak thar mi somte tirchhuana hun man ani. He huni Reverend R Lianzama Director chuan Kashwain Upazel Trauma zema bok bial Missions Department Director chuan Tongtaina aneya Evangelist Lalthuthunga Treasurer District Missions Department chuan Missionary tirchhua turte hming puanna le in melchia tirna nein tirchhuana le hlanna Reverend Rosanga Kolni District Superintendent chuan aneya Missionary te shriak ngai rawngbawlna anei ngal ani. He huna hian Reverend Biak Sangzola District Secretary hen atungin fuina thu thatak tak missionary chhuak tur de tana poimo tur shrang ngai thak ni in zema bok bial zai pol baka unaw nu la shwai tluangi zema bok veng puite hen atungin fakhla ngai thak ani a Reverend Vanel Felaram tiam District Treasurer in Malsom tongtain in khom ati topani. Missionary tir chwa in khoma hian aizo khopui chunga bial shrang Missions Department try to debaka missionary tir chwa tak chungte mi engemaza telin pathian tharau thianglim ompuina hnuaya hlim takin hun an hmang ani. Tarlan to angin heng home missionary te hi January ni somparuk ninga ni khan interview mangin lak lawni to in February ni khadzir top ni khan district officer training nei pui an lawni to bok ani. Missionary tir chwa tak tele anom na hmun turte pakhatna unaw nu sang khumi Bible woman kholian bial dai dawa Evangelist Vanel Rosiama Nor Vanlai Pai Bial Lungchuana Evangelist H Lenming Moya Khobung Biala Evangelist H K Lenmangaya Champai Bial Champai Din Thara Evangelist Vanel Haka Bongkon Bial Ramtun Sport Complexa Evangelist H Lelbiak Zava Kohai Bial Sial Hoka Evangelist H Malsom Thanga Champai Bethel Bial Zautea Evangelist K Vanel Dika Trumpui Bial Trumpui Veng Thara Unaw pa H Lalfak Zwala Thingsul Thia Bial Khum Tunga Unaw pa Ram Huabliana Kolkul Bial Dultea Aizawl East District Nwai Kohhran Puile Department Changchang te sumchu February ni som pakhata tangni som pali chung hian audit ani don Auditor Satam Pastor H Lalro Puya Pastor Lal Mangai Oma Parte Pastor B Lal Engzawale Upa Joseph Lal Shwai Tuang te chu District Board chuan alo ruat to ani February ni Pathiani khan Champai Bethel Bial Zai on local ti chuan an Kohhran kumsom ni pangana Silver Jubilee hlim takin an hmang He hun hi bial du pastor lan mangai oma parte chuan Kashwain Jubilee lungphun honna Reverend K Shang bunga bial du pastor lawni to chuan nein Choma inkoma Reverend PC ngak lianan thu soi rongbawlna aneya zana Reverend ke shang wongan hena tungin thu cha an ngai thale bok ani he huna hian Kohhran member enge muzat telin Jubilee roi hlim takin an kil hau ani January ni somhni pakwa ni lai zan khan sakordai bial vaitin Kohhrana mi pahni in swangai damna baptisma changin mithar pakhat Kohhrana senglu ani bok kokula po February ni nga ni lai zan khan mi somjet mai Pentecostal Kohhrana loi turin bial to pastor Armel Somachuana senglut kokula hian crusade nei chokmek zel ni in speaker Reverend H Vanel Chana man ani a arongbawlna kaltangin heng mithar de hi Kohhrana senglu anita ani North Mizoram District rongbawlna chanchin North Mizoram District chunga pastor bial somthum de chuan February ni sari atangani ku chung khan Arwalin bial conference an mangmeka North Mizoram District hi UPC North East India Unit District upaber District Mother Church District tia Kohhran ani a he district hian marlama vaireng te thleng o in chimlama thengjol thleng a huamani bial conference arwala nei hian North Mizoram District shwai tu tele department shwai tu then khat te chuan hetiang hian bial then khat conference an manpui district superintendent Reverend Laltuang an thengjol bial manpuin district secretary Reverend Charpuyan abial huimek durtlang bial le district treasurer Reverend Kelal Dusangan Kolasi Venglai bial amanpui baka district missions director Reverend Silal Thantuangan lengpui bial amanpui bokdon ani February ni nga ni lai ni khan North Mizoram District Platinum Jubilee Committee chu North Mizoram District Office Secretary Chambera thu khomin Souvenir Committee Chairman Pastor Lalwat ki mafan ain meeting akai shwaya District Secretary Reverend Charpuyan meeting pathian hena hlanin atongtaya Souvenir Committee chu North Mizoram District Platinum Jubilee Souvenir chu North Mizoram District chunga Kohhrantina athona pek relin North East India chunga district sang te present ati baka rongbol tupui mo te po athona pek ni se ti arel ani Souvenir chu chengza ashal ni se ashal na thoka atul angalo boipui turin Souvenir Committee Treasurer Evangelist J Vanel Ruatele Evangelist R Lalthaki mate chu ruat ngal ani North Mizoram District chuan kumsom sari antlin na Platinum Jubilee chu February ni somparia tatanga March ni khat pathiani thleng alom na hun an mangdon Platinum Jubilee lom na hi Mizoram UPC adin tanani February ni somparia thole ni atanga mangin department shang missions department Sunday school LED le PYD 10 alom na zan shang chawin an nei bokang Jubilee lom hon na hi February ni somparia thole ni dar som pakhata tanin district headquarters back in tui khwatlanga nei ani anga back in pona Jubilee organizing committee chairman Reverend Kelal Dusanga district treasurer in Kaishwain Jubilee honna hla Jubilee choir 10 sa in lungphun honna Reverend Lalmal Soma Sailo general superintendent in anei anga Jubilee darwak ani don bok ani back in chunga program man chunzomin Reverend Charpuya district secretary in Inkoma Kaishwainga district choir le general choir le headquarters bialten hlaramin Reverend Laltuanga district superintendent in Thucha asoi bokang Unanu F ro hlupui Bible Women General LED Treasurer hena tungin fakla ngai thagani ang Platinum Jubilee mei chu Evangelist J Damhwalan detin Kohhran chanchin headquarters local church board secretary in asoyanga Souvenir tlangzarna Reverend Zongming Thanzama General Treasurer in anei thungdon ani February ni sompakwani laizana tungin department Paul in khom nei chho ani anga PYD in ma an thwainga February ni somhni ninga zana LED tin in khom an nei le anga February ni somhni pakhat zirtop zana district Sunday school department te in khom le in February ni somhni panhi zana district missions department Paul in khom nei le ni in ni somhni pathum pathiani zana Platinum Jubilee celebration zan man le ani ang Jubilee lom na puiber le akharne chu North Mizoram District Conference nei na tur Bongkon South Cultural Center March nikhat chunua nei tur ani anga he inkhoma hian pastor lo ni to zongjong te memento hlanin inkhom bana Jubilee lom na right he tur ani don ani February ni thum sangni somni thotan ni khan headquarters LED North Mizoram District te chuan LED Rising Day an mang Rising Day inkhom hi unaw nulal chuan kugi Bible women in a kaishwaya unaw nulal mangai zwali sailawin hunser mangin senior member unaw nutlang moi hena tungin headquarters LED chanchin ngai nom tak ngai thak ani a pathianin headquarters LED te member tlem te atanga achoi kan chaudan tele sumtem te abulchan nima se sumle paya an than na satto awanga an lom thu te soin Pentecostal Kohhran hi Kohhran dinge alo ni na tele achunga cheng tharau mi ten nun uluk zo ka nun nungzela rin taka thuthunga din he atu zia te soin anin free tharbok variety program him tak mang chunjom le in LED member ten hlok thak an ti hle ani sumsui bial missions department boss in January ni thuma tangkhan chandam na crusade nei ani chandam na crusade a hian sailam kho arong bol mek evangelist zoram sang ju speaker a man ani a evangelist zoram sang hi team member pali in antoi ombok rongbol tu rongbol na kaltangin pathiana siam tharle na changmi pathum omin mi pasari in tharau thianghlim baptisma an changthara pathian thuthung ro pui tak mu in mithar pahni January ni somhne pakwani laizan in khoma senglu anni samnu khai hian crusade nei pialama no pang Sunday school polin lang camp watsai ni in heta hian khwang wak training nei ani baka Kohhran chunga in sangshanga in khom kwalin rongbol na nei ani pathian tharau thianghlim dilin Kohhran hote chunghe tongtrai nei ani buka shiak thi rongbol na le tuidam doi te siamin damlo te tongtrai in hunman ani bok evangelist H zoram sangale arongbol pui te hian Kohhran in zongjong an tlo chuak vek bok samlukhai hian crusade rongbol na borwa kal zela February ni thum tho tan ni khan samlukhai Kohhran te kal tangin upa johana ti chung ko in pathian choi moina an neya lim takin Kohhran hoten hun an mang ani North Mizoram district chunga bung hun khwa North Mizoram district chuan Kohhran hote in khom na turin biak in hun thatak aleisak bung thuam khwa hian evangelist H lanun moi chuan rongbol na nein a omchila hun enge mochen a tho hnuwa tuna hian Kohhran member sompali omin February ni khat inrin ni kham bung thuam Kohhran tan biak in hun cheng noi khat sing riatin alei ani biak in hun hi adung fit za somnga paruk le awang fit somnga ani a rongbol tu rongbol na kaltanga pathianin na a tho zel abei sei om ani zol nom biala hian bung thuam hi mun laili takni in Kohhran te tan hun poimo tak ani mek zel ani February ni thum tho tan ni khan zol nom bial chung om borai Kohhran hote chuan biak in bantur an phun biak in tundin na tura ban phun hi hun ser ursun tak mangin senior upale sang luran hun ser toy mangin biak in ban masaber chu aphuna Kohhran hote po an phur hle ani borai Kohhran hi zol nom bial headquarters ni mekin an bial hi bialano pangte ni ma se pathian ram chak tak in athang mek zel ani North Mizoram district headquarters Kohhran chuan platinum jubilee shwa rengna le alom na chikhata tan jubilee t-shirt chu senior upa rozam chuan February ni hni sang hi somhni pathiani jing in khom ban khan biak in twala atlang zar ani North Mizoram district headquarters Kohhran te hian platinum jubilee an lom tura North East India an rongbol pui te baka alom pui tu apiang telvek turin an somani February ni hni pathiani khan siphir bial ni sapuya district in rongbola aroi mek rongbol na kaltangin mithar pahni Kohhrana senglu anni mithar pahni te hindu fani in siphir bial tu pastor reverend Silar Ramwana chuan Kohhrana senglutin Kohhran haute an lom hle ani February ni khatle ni hni mangkhan bairabi bethel Kohhran LED te chuan zol nuam bial zol pui Kohhran te an to hehuna hian bairabi bethel LED mi thenem tak thok chuakin zol pui Kohhran rongbol tu evangelist lerin zola quarters a carpet moi tak an pha saka member thenem tak thok chuakin pawalai le thalai chen khaten an troi ombok reng dil bial tuidam Kohhrana February ni khat inrin ni zan khan reng dil bial tu pastor Silal thengle na chuan chung ko khat member pahni te Pentecostal Kohhrana lalpa Iswa Krista mingin asenglut tuidam Kohhrana hian evangelist PC lalian moi an rongbol na nei mekin a rongbol na lalpa na satakin mal asoma pathian rampo in hongmek zel ani tuidam Kohhran te hian in khom na turbiak in an samek ani Pentecostal revival team te rongbol na kaltangin February ni hni pathiani khan hun thar bial sarang Kohhrana evangelist Silar Rat sangan mithar pahni suangai damna baptisma achantira Kohhrana asenglut evangelist Silar Rat sangle a team member te hian kumkalta December tha atang khan sairanga rongbol na anneya Christmas le kumthar Kohhran haute manpuin pathianin Kohhran haute ompui ani ole khati zong khatu tumatana UPC North East India rongbol na chanchin thar kan thlir le ngai thak haule theite ni e